Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport sunroof leak issue and outlines possible causes that may allow water to enter the cabin through or around the sunroof area. In the Ford EcoSport, the sunroof system includes glass panels, perimeter seals, drainage channels, and drain tubes designed to route water away from the interior. When a leak occurs, it may show as water dripping from the headliner, moisture around the roof console, damp carpets, or musty odors. Sunroof design and drainage layout can vary by model year and configuration, so this issue may not apply to every EcoSport. Verified technical information for sunroof-equipped vehicles shows that leaks may be associated with clogged or restricted drain tubes. Debris such as dust, leaves, or dirt can accumulate over time and prevent proper water drainage, causing overflow into the cabin. Worn, misaligned, or hardened sunroof seals may also allow water to bypass the sealing surface, especially as materials age or after repeated exposure to heat and weather. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In some situations, improper sunroof installation following glass replacement, body repairs, or roof work could be a potential contributing factor. Structural alignment issues or damage around the roof frame may also affect sealing performance. In newer versions, drain routing differences could influence where water appears inside the vehicle if a blockage occurs. Possible solutions depend on the confirmed cause and are not guaranteed for every vehicle. General guidance may include cleaning and clearing sunroof drain channels, inspecting and conditioning seals, checking drain tube routing, or resealing components if leaks are traced to installation or alignment issues. In conclusion, a sunroof leak in the Ford EcoSport can result from drainage, sealing, or installation-related factors, and the exact cause can differ based on vehicle age, environment, and maintenance history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.